What's up, everybody? OBS right here for a new video. Today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the truck because it's due for one. Last oil change was January 5th, 2025. But I know it's a year, but it's only been like 5,000 miles. Yeah, it's at 258,417. The last one was at 253,024. So about 5,400 miles, and I'm pretty sure it's low on oil because it's been dropping oil pressure on acceleration. And I've had that before, and whenever it did that, it was low on oil. So we'll check. All right, let's look. Wipe it off first. Yeah, boy. We are be able to see that, but we are below add. I don't know if you can see it good on the camera, but yeah, look at that. It's time for an oil change. So let's get us a cold start, and I'm finna head to Walmart, go get some oil and an oil filter, and then we'll get straight into it. Try and get a video of the oil pressure. It dropped to like 20-ish. Alright, we're at the gas station. Cheapest gas in the area. 31. 314, 315 for 33 I'm gonna use if I can find it. Chris 20 I got yesterday, just throw it in the tank, so I get some gas. Alright, we got 20 coming on pump 7. Wasting some. Alright. $20, 6 gallons. Should be good. We were on a quarter, so see what we moved to. See where we were at. Have a tank now, not bad. Alright, there we go. The Walmart's literally right across the street, so gonna head over there, go inside, get oil and an oil filter. Then we should be able to change this oil. Alright, over here at Walmart, see it says auto care right there, so let's pull right here. Good. Should be good. Go in here, get some oil. Look at this. I gotta fix my door. Alright, let's go inside. Here we are. I need SAE 5W. 5W30, I think is what I did last time. But I did this one, the high mileage. It's 10W30. There's just regular full synthetic 5W30. Let me look around real quick. Yo, check this out. I was finna get this, just regular advanced full synthetic, cause I wasn't seeing the high mileage full synthetic 5W30 like this. So I was just about to grab this, and I was gonna grab, I put it, 5W30 1 quart. Look, in the very back, I think this is the last one because it says low stock on their app. In the very back, full synthetic high mileage, which is perfect. So I'm gonna grab that, and then I'm gonna go see if they got this PF63 oil filter. All right, I think this is it right here. AC Delco PF63. These down. This should be it. GM genuine. Let me double check real quick, just so I don't buy the wrong thing, because the other one that works is the PF48, but it's too short. I don't know where it is, but I'll show on the screen the difference in them. So yeah, got what we need. PF63 and our oil. So I'll check out. I gotta go grab some hot sauce and some chicken. But other than that, we're gonna head home, and then we can get started on our oil change. All right, we got all we needed. Time to head home. We'll get home, let it cool off some, probably play 2K, and then we're gonna get to changing it. All right, we've made it home. I'm gonna go grab some ramps real quick and just drive up on them, and then I'll let the truck cool down before I change it. Just gonna scrape my valence when I drive up on it, like it always does. Even. All right, let's drive up.
Oh shit, not good.
On the ramps, they go eat something, play a little 2K, let it cool down, and then we'll get to changing the oil out. All right, it's been a little while. My pan I'm gonna put down there. I grab the oil, filter. I forgot the hot sauce in there. Get it on there real quick. Take the drain plug out and make sure the sight is going the right way. I just knocked stuff from my eye. I'll slide under here. There we go. It didn't even go far. Like barely any in there. This isn't gonna take long. Right, I got it. You can see I got it loose. I'm trying to poke a hole in it. So hard to fit under here.
That don't work.
Yeah. Still kind of warm, feels good. There we go. Lay that down there. can't untighten it with your hand, but I'll confirm that in a second. Put a little oil in my oil filter. Same one right here. I don't really know how much you're supposed to put right in. This is good, and then take some of it, rub it around the seal. Now it should be good to put it in. I don't know if I poured too much in there, honestly. Alright, my SD card got full mid installation, but so just to get this snug. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, so now we just fill up with oil now. I gotta go get a funnel. Alright, I'm gonna start off with the little one because I started this one. Let that sit like that while I open the big one. Okay, let me check it. Get in there. Alright, let me go grab some paper towels and then we'll see. I don't know how good the camera can see it, but we're good. So, yeah, I might have turned it on, let it idle for a little bit, and then we'll just go on a little drive, and that'll conclude this video. Yep, there we go. Oil pressure was a little slow to move right there, but let me get under here and check for leaks. Yeah. This oil was already on the ground. I gotta clean it up. That other oil was already down there. I just tried to wipe it off. Yeah, I think we should be good. I'm gonna let it warm up again, and then we'll go for a little drive. sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So running good. Good oil pressure, not dropping no more. Staying steady at 60. So oil change complete. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, check the oil one last time just to be sure. But that should be good. We're probably gonna end this video off.